Just tell me who you see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? 'Cause
Look at them. Busa na kami kagabi, so nag-worry na naman siya kasi baka hindi kasya. I think it will fit him. Dito na yung mga buttons. Ayan, siya yung and yeah, don't rush. Daw siya. Today is May 26. Hindi ako nag-vlog pero gusto ko ipakita sa inyo dahil linutuan ko yung aking rice cooker na ulam. Sinet ko siya for 2 hours. Mayroon pang 30 minutes. So, bubuksan natin siya. Kanina binuksan ko na rin siya pero bubuksan ko ulit para ipakita ko sa inyo. Ito yung aking drunk pork belly with eggs. Okay, we're ready? Ooh. Ayan siya, guys. So, ito yung ulam namin ng mga bata. So, yan yung aking drunk pork belly. Oh. Pinatikim ko na yun sa mga bata kasi nandito na sila, kararating lang nila galing school. And si kuya, hindi na siya makapaghintay. So, yan yung aming ulam today. Tonight pala. Tapos na pala ako magluto and sabi ko nga hindi ako nag-vlog. Pinakita ko lang to sa inyo kasi nga, diba, first time kong gamitin yung aking rice cooker na lutuan siya ng ulam. Ito yung tawag ko dito ay drunk pork belly na may itlog or nilasingkong pork belly. So, yan. And nagluto rin ako ng munggo kasi malamig ngayon dito, guys. Pa-winter na sa amin. So, ayan. And si Holly Girl, ayan. Nakaligo na po siya. Sila kuya, naghihintay na yon. So, tawagin ko na sila, guys. So, yun lang. Thank you.
Papa, you sure? Dad,
Ayan, tinawag ko na sila. Let Daddy do it for you, Baba.
we're not going to Melbourne.
I know, dahil sa ano. Hindi pa alam. Baka kasi close yung ano, yung ano ba, yung border kasi yung virus, guys, sa ano, sa Melbourne.
Wait,
That's enough, Baba. Okay, kaya na kami, guys. Ayan, gustong-gusto yan ni Jan yung munggo.
Oh yeah, what's the name?
Pero ayaw niya yung tinapa. Diba sa atin usually tinapa? Ayan, pork.
Cody said the solar eclipse.
Kuya, give me your plate, yeah.
Yeah, that's what Cody said. There's going to be a solar eclipse tonight.
Wow, Baba. You want, soup, Baba?
I'm going to go have a look.
Yes, please. Okay. Sak, you want egg? Nagsabaw ka na kasi niyan, eh.
I'm eating the solar.
Okay.
I'm not yet.
Oh, not yet. Oh, tapusin niya muna yung munggo. So, okay, kain na kami, guys. Quick, ano lang. Quick vlog.
No, the moon.
The skies are black. Please, the moon lives in the sky.
Look at Kuya. Almost. Look at here. Here. See? What color you can see?
White.
Orange.
Orange,
No, red.
red,
No, it's
and
black.
white.
Black, Mom. It's black.
Yeah, ala, malapit na. Ang lamig. Kuya, get inside.
I'll go sing later. Okay, we'll come back out at 8:41. That's
Yeah,
when
okay.
that's when it's orange. And
Alright.
we're going to bed at 9.
After this, okay.
Wow, Mommy, it looks so cool.
Huh?
So cool.
Na-amaze si Holly. Look at here, Baba. Look. See that? See? Oh, see that? Oh, look at that.
It's turning red.
Yeah. Ang lamig pero nagtitiis sila.
It looks so amazing.
I know, Baba. Minsan nawawala, minsan
You can see Mercury and Venus.
Wait, can I see on the camera?
Yeah, Baba, here. Oh. See that?
Yeah. It's a bit white.
Red.
Red. Oh, it's
Look,
Red.
look, oh, look. See? Oops, oops.
Honestly, go away.
Yeah, wait.
why is it moving?
Yeah.
So you should go away.
Please run. If the moon just gone, they think it's just penguin, but it's not.
God.
Kuya, don't be scared. It's
Look, the stars are
gone.
gone.
What time is it now? 8:40.
Wait,
No,
the
wala
stars
na.
are gone.
Yeah, it's dark now. Oh.
What is it? Stars?
Where's the... Yeah, I'm not sure. It's gone now.
Wait, where's the stars?
Nawala na. Dilim na.
The moon took the stars.
No, the moon is gone. It's a lunar eclipse, Baba.
Oh, I think the moon's sleepy.
Okay, let's go inside. Malamig na. Pinicturean ko sila. It's gone. Wala na.
Tell me you're to say a flip without the fire. A future you say is uncertain. Till we left behind, I see different than mine. I'm nothing less than perfect.
Good morning, people! Dumating na yung kanyang in-order sa eBay. Yan, ilalagay. Diyan niya raw ilalagay. Gusto ko sana doon.
There.
Yeah. Backward more,
No, I
please.
can't go any better. You want enough of the rolls.
Oh, no. Hala, wait lang, guys. Parang hindi siya nag-work. Hindi nag-work doon sa ano sa gusto niya. So, itry namin dito sa tiles.
And you won't be able to get that off, see, when you go to get it off.
Oh, that's right. Ay, ano ba yan? No, not the fridge. There, on the side.
No,
Ay, nakaka-stress naman tong ano.
it's not that.
Ang dami niya ng... no, not there.
It's going to have to.
Oh my goodness. Because your coffee machine in
Well,
the
that's not that
future...
big. Well, it's either there or there. It's gotta be
Okay.
there.
Okay. Di
Has
ba?
to be there.
It has to be there. Alright.
Then you can still get your roll off.
Okay. Alignment, please. Why is like crooked? Ah, ayan
That's just the
nag-work.
way it sits, so it's turned. It's
Sa eBay niya to nabili, guys. Kasi naghanap siya. Wala kayong mahanap dito sa town. Okay. Ay, I think you just have to be careful. Guys, hapon na. Today pala is Friday, May 28. And, alis tayo, pero magsasampay muna ako. Kanina nag-start ako mag-vlog, pero hindi ko na-continue kasi nag-edit ako, naglinis, then nag-load ng mga labahan. So, ngayon isasampay ko na sila. And, yung nag-vlog ko kanina ay yung kinakabit ni Jan yung dumating na paglalagyan namin ng paper towel. Yun lang talaga yung na-vlog ko. Tapos, eto na yung next kasi na-busy na ako. So, alas 3 na, 3:15 darating yung mga bata. Magsampay muna ako. Ayan yung mga isasampay. And syempre, meron akong tutupiin mamaya. Ganito yung routine dito guys sa bahay. Parang hindi nababakanti yung mga tupiin, mga laban. Parang halos, feeling ko araw-araw or every other day may nilalaban ako at may tinutupi. So, isampay ko muna to. So, tapos na kayo ni Holly magsampay. Tinulungan ako ni Holly. Siya yung nagsampay ng mga undies. And nandun siya sa kwarto niya. Kinukuha niya lang yung kanyang... Ha? Ayan na siya. Kinuha niya lang yung kanyang pangtali. Tsaka spray. Okay.
Guys, we're finished, and I'm gonna put this back, and we're gonna go and get sprinkles, and then we're gonna get Baby Isla's milk. So
Alis na tayo, guys. And kaya pala tayo pupunta ng... Yes.
Could you tie out now, please?
Oh, gusto niya mag-crossbody bag. Yeah, wait. So, punta tayo ng town kasi tumawag na sa akin yung camera house. Kung maalala nyo, iniwan ko yung iniwan ko yung camera nung April 25, ngayon May 28 na, so mahigit isang buwan na, and nalaman ko na yung quote. Yung quote nila is 350 plus, 350 something or 357. Basta more than 350 yung quote nila, and sabi nung tumawag, it could be more pa raw kasi depende raw kung ano pa yung sira sa loob. Kasi nung tiningnan lang, yung pagtingin pa lang, yun na daw yung quote nila, 350 plus baka raw tumaas kasi nga depende sa damage ng camera. Plus, kung maalala nyo, nabanggit ko sa inyo na kung ipapagawa yung camera at saka kung hindi mo man ipapagawa, magbabayad ka na ng $70 kasi i-quote, may bayad yung pag-quote guys, $70 plus $15 ng shipping fee. So, $80 na yun, di ba? Tama ba? $85 na hindi pa inaayos yung camera. Tapos kung ipapaayos ko siya, plus 350 or more. So sabi ko, hindi ko na lang siya ipapaayos kasi bili na lang ako ng bago kasi ilang na lang, 700 or 800 ata yung Mark II. Kasi hindi ko alam kung baka mag 450 or mag 500 yung pag-fix ng camera. Sabi ko, wag na lang. So, punta tayo sa camera house para bayaran ko yung pag-coat. Then, para ma-ship na pabalik sa shop nila para makuha ko na rin. And, nabanggit ni ulit sa inyo na bibili kami ng gatas ni Ayla. Kasi kagabi, yes baby, kausap ko si Race and yun, nagtanong siya kung malapit kami sa price line. Sabi ko, oo, malapit lang naman yung price line. So, nag-order siya ng gatas ni Ayla kasi nagkakaubusan daw ng gatas. Kasi ang gatas ni Ayla is Novalac siya, guys. Hindi siya mabibili sa Kohl's, sa Woolies, sa pharmacist or price line lang siya nabibili. Parang noon, si TJ rin, noon, Novalac din siya, pero yung regular lang. Yung kay Ayla kasi parang sa Reflux. So, hanapan natin si Ayla ng gatas. Aside dun sa pipick upin ko sa price line, punta ko ng ibang chemist, baka may makita tayo. And, ano pa ba? Punta rin ako ng, guys, ng Kohl's kasi nung Tuesday, nag-grocery ako pero hindi ako nag-vlog. Mali yung nabili kong bumbilya. So, sabi ni Jam, palitan ko raw to kasi discrew to eh. Yung gusto niya, yung parang click. And, nung Tuesday, diba, nag-grocery ako. Ngayon, bibili ulit ako ng fruits kasi ayan, paubos na agad guys, oh. Punong-puno yan nung Tuesday, ngayon wala na. So, bibili tayo ng fruits. What's that, Baba?
Could we give my baby bottles to Isla?
No, wala ka ng baby bottle, Baba. And, bibilang ko siya nito, yung hundreds and thousands kasi gustong-gusto nila to sa tinapay na may butter.
Two.
And, eto pala yung, makita nyo na to, eto yung ginawa ni Jan. Ayan na siya. And yung flowers natin, hindi ko alam kung ilang weeks na to. 2 weeks.
It looks so cute.
Yeah, 2 weeks mahigit na siya. And ayan, okay pa siya. Pinalitan ko lang siya ng tubig. And yung aking parsley tsaka basil, wala na guys. Nag-give up na sila. And yung aking plant dito ay nasa labas. At saka yung mga nandito, nilabas ko kahapon para maarawan. So, and bibili rin ako ng paglalagyan kasi ang ginagamit ko ay yung platito namin. Oh. So maghahanap din ako ng paglalagyan ng ating plants. So yan yung ating ganap today guys. And nandito yung aking yoga mat. Yan ko linagay para madali lang para sa akin. Pero hindi pa ako nag-exercise guys. Soon. What are you doing? Nag-lipstick siya guys. Glossy siya. Okay, let's go.
Game.
Dito na sila. What's that?
Game tomorrow at Rose.
Yeah, I know. And what did you say about mommy when you kissed me?
So good.
Kasi gamit ko yung guys. Alright, gamit ko yung
Kindness.
Lelaboo. Oh, so okay. Let's go. Si Jan nandito na rin. Come on. Kinuha niya yung coat. And ako din, ayan, naka-coat din ako guys. Kasi malamig. And nakalabas yung aking wok kasi may lulutuin ako mamaya. Nahiwa ko na yung mga sangkap. Sangkap talaga. Okay, let's go. Baka may iwan natin ito. Ha? No, just one, Baba. Gusto niyang bumili nung
But we're gonna always.
Huh? Okay, let's go. See you, boys! Bye! Yeah. Ha? Vitamins. So, naubos na yung vitamins. Okay. Dito na tayo guys sa town. Kaso, ayan. Nakatulog yung aking kasama. Baba! Baba! Holly! We are here, Baba. Come on. Come on. So, pick upin lang muna natin yung gatas ni Ayla, then camera house. Dito yung price line. Ayan. Tapos yung camera house, iikot lang tayo doon. So, pick upin muna natin.
What one is it?
Novolux. Yes. The reflux one. Okay.
Just that one?
Okay, yeah.
Yeah?
Okay,
You
I'll
want
get
that
another
one
one.
as well?
Yes.
Sure.
Yeah. Thank
I'll
you.
take the Reggie for you.
Okay, thank you. So, nag-asa ko kung pwede akong bumili pa ng isa. Kasi sa online, allow lang isa. Yung kay Kuya, TJ, wala dito eh. Ano lang siya, regular. Eto, colic naman, allergy, sweet dreams.
I like this one.
So, nakakuha pa tayo ng isang gatas. So, dalawa na. So, we have to look more, okay?
Yeah.
Okay. So, ito yung camera house. Nasa likod lang to. Umikot lang tayo. Come on, Baba. Run, 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 run. Okay. Okay, we're done. Let's go. Tapos na tayo dito, guys. Dito naman tayo sa...
Oh, you need one.
No, we just pay, Baba. Dito naman tayo sa Asian store. Oh, magkatabi lang sila. Tingnan natin kung anong meron. Sana may fruits. Come on here, Baba. Hi! Wala daw. Nasa van. So, alis na muna kami kasi nandiyan pa naman sa van. Punta tayo ng ano. Later, Baba. Let's go. Yeah, come on. Let's go. Later. So, mamaya na lang. Pag hindi tayo napagsarahan kasi alas 5 sila magsasara eh. Yeah. They have that at Coast to, Baba. Gusto niya yung Hello Panda. So, punta muna tayo ng isa pang pharmacist or kaya Priceline. Okay, go! Dito naman tayo sa marketplace. Kung nasan yung... Yeah, nandito rin kasi yung Big W, Priceline, tapos yung Woolies.
Oh, look, the cup.
No, I do it, Papa.
I wish I wanted.
Okay, go. Lock it. Okay, come on. So, may dalawa kaming price line. Yung isa doon, kung saan natin pinick up yung gatas ni Ayla. Ngayon, dito tayo sa ano. Hi, ate! Wala yung reflux. Pero tinignan ng babae sa computer kung meron silang stock. So, hintayin lang natin.
Guys?
Yeah, thank you.
No, that's okay.
Nakukuha tayo ng dalawa pa, guys. Dalawa na lang, wala na. So, Ayla, this is for you, Baba. Okay? For Ayla, I said. Dito tayo sa ano, sa Chemist King. Si Jan ang nagsuggest nito na tingnan ko raw dito. Ang tagal ko na hindi nakapunta dito sa Chemist King. Malapit ko kila Melissa. Sorry. We're looking for Ayla's milk. Kasi noon, pag mayroon akong kailangan dito sa...
Isla's milk, Mom.
Ha?
We already go Isla's milk.
Yeah, but we're gonna get more if they have here. Ay, meron, guys. Oh my God. Meron silang 4. Pwede kayang 4?
Okay, let's get the elephant.
The elephant. Ayan, meron sila. No, not the purple. Because Ayla needs the reflux. Pwede kayang 3. Try ko. Kung hindi, di 2. Try ko lang. So, gusto ko nga 4, pero parang hindi pwede. So, we'll see. Medyo mahaba yung pila. Okay, come on, Baba, here. Meron siyang dalang isa. No, just one. Get vitamins. Okay.
I hope these are the good ones.
This is good one. Check lang na babae kung pwede. 4, if that's alright. Okay. Thank you. Okay.
Yeah.
So, pwede daw na 4. So, meron pa ditong isa. Kunin natin yun. Oh my God, Ayla, ang dami mo ng gatas. Hindi ka na magugutom. Hindi naman nagugutom si Ayla. I mean, hindi ka na maubusan ng gatas, Baba. Oh my God, I'm so happy.
There.
Okay, thank you. Okay, Baba. Ano, Mommy? Okay, Baba, let's go here. Ayan na yung vitamins niya.
Pressing the button.
Dito naman tayo sa ano, guys, sa
Kmart.
yeah, sa Terry White Chemist. Hi! Dito tayo sa Terry White Chemist dyan. Andyan yung Kmart. Sana bukas pa. Ayun, bukas pa papa. Okay. Pero magpindot ng ano. Alright. Not yet. Good job. Sabi ko kasi wag gamitin yung kamay, yung elbow niya.
Because
Run, mama! Sana meron. Okay, dito naman tayo. Tingnan natin kung meron sila. Okay, dito yun.
now what are we going to do
Oh.
here?
Meron, guys. Ayan.
What is that?
So, mayroon akong dalawa. Pero i-ask ko pa rin sila kung ilan yung limit dito. Ask natin.
Yes,
Yeah,
2
okay.
is the maximum we can sell.
Okay, thank you. Dalawa lang dito sa Terry White yung pwede mong bilhin. Doon sa kabila, di ba, apat? Sa Chemist King. Ha? Yeah, we're gonna go back here, but we're gonna... Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. See ya. Okay, come on, Papa. Here. Mamaya, babalik kami dito. Sa Kmart naman tayo pupunta. Pero may pupuntahan pa kasi akong isa pang chemist. Baka kasi magsara. So, unahin ko muna doon. Then, balik tayo dito. Kasi, eto, 9 o'clock naman, magsasara yung Kmart. Okay, let's go. No, yeah, later. Hold Mommy hand.
Gasoline.
Dito naman tayo sa ayan, Discount Chemist. Come on. Katabi to ng bagong Coles. Bago rin tong ano, chemist, guys. Bukas pa sila. Check natin kung meron sila.
Oh, hey, this.
Nga daw, baba. Nakaka-happy. Meron din sila, guys. So, kuha tayong dalawa. Baka maximum nila dalawa din. Okay, Baba, hold that one. Okay.
Oh, Papa trusts me.
Okay, come on here.
Papa trusts me.
You're alright. Hi. Good, thank you.
Was it?
Yeah.
I think that's all we've got left.
Ah, okay.
But I think they would be limiting it just because of this. It's been really hard to get.
Yeah, so you only allow 2?
Yeah.
Ah, okay. Dalawa lang din daw. And last 2 na lang to. So this is the last 2 here.
Last 2 for now.
Oh, wow.
So we won't be getting any more in for a while.
So it is out of stock.
Yep. So I would take those 2 if I was you.
Yeah, out of stock though. No, I want to get more if I could. Yeah, out of stock.
In the supermarket.
No, they don't. Only chemists and pharmacists. No, Priceline. Okay, thank you. Okay, come on, Baba. So, punta pa ako sa isa pang. Mayroon pa kami isang Terry White na chemist. Nandito lang naman, malapit. So, siguro puntahan ko yun. Dito, out of stock na raw sila. Out of stock na raw sila. Yung supplier daw nila, hindi pa alam kung kailan magkakaroon. So, i-check ko rin dito sa sa Terry White. Kasi alam ko may Terry White dito. Nadadaanan ko yun pag pumupunta ako kila Christina. So, check natin doon. So, at least nakakuha tayong dalawa dito. Okay. Diba sabi ko sa inyo kanina, pupunta ko yung yung isang Terry White. Wala na doon, guys. Siguro nag-book na sila or nag-close na. Kasi ang tagal na noon. Wala na sila doon. So, dito, meron ditong pharmacist. Tingnan ko kung meron sila. Sana bukas pa kasi anong oras na. What time is it, Baba? 5:04. Okay, come on. Tingnan natin kung meron dito. Dito tayo pupunta sa UFS Chemist. Ayan. Hindi ko alam kung makita nyo. Ayan. Chemist din siya. Okay. Ito pala. Mas malaki. Ayan, dito tayo. So, check natin kung meron silang gatas. So, you don't have baby formula?
No.
Oh, okay. You have a big chemist here.
We do, yes.
Ang laki nito. Wala raw sila, guys.
We just can't, like you can't
Yeah,
just
can't.
compete with this.
How many Terry White do we have? 2 or 1?
One.
Only 1? Because they used to have on that
Yep,
side.
one across the other side.
Yeah, and then
Yes.
1 in the Kmart.
Yep, that's still there.
Oh, where's the other one? Because I went
It's
there.
disappeared.
Oh,
but
this
that's gone.
Oh,
Well,
wala na
disappeared.
pala, guys.
It's gone. But then they have the other farm.
Yeah, okay, wala. So ngayon, tapos na tayo maghanap ng gatas ni Ayla. Ngayon punta na tayo ng Kmart na kami, guys. Yung Coles andun, no? Mamaya punta tayo ng Coles. Ayun yung Coles, oh.
Dice, tell me who you see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me.